Mga kanos! Musta?
Takaon today sa pinaka-solid na breakfast buffet sa Atria. I'm drinking nose and welcome to my vlog.
Diri lang siya located sa Pison Avenue, Atria Park District, San Rafael, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. The first Seda Hotel in the Visayas.
Ar ng ticket ta, sulod na ta. Diri sa Seda Hotel.
Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Siyempre, greet naman mga bellman. Diba?
Oh, do hindi po pating tapos ng Christmas.
January na.
Hello po. For 2 persons, please. Welcome the day with a sumptuous breakfast buffet at Seda Atria.
Ang Misto Lobby Dine.
Available daily starting 6 a.m. until 10 a.m. for 750 pesos per person.
And feast your appetite with this delish and exquisite all-time favorites of foods and drinks to choose from. So ari na akong foods, though hindi man halata na gutom na. Siyempre, hindi madula ang kape. Black coffee without sugar. Count ang mga nose. Worth it eat and experience not only for their food or drinks, but also for their fast service. Very accommodating and friendly mga staff nila. And all smiles gid sila when serving you. And all of their foods are served hot, fresh, and yummy. Do ako lang.
Finishing off with their mixed cereals.
Kag syempre, food ko si B-Boy Natix.
Focus yarn.
Di ano pa ginulat ko? Kadto na dri sa Seda.
Kag madamo gyud na salamat sa tanan ng mga staffs and chefs sang Misto kag Seda for this amazing first time food experience.
Hope you like this video. Please do like, follow all my social media platforms and also for my YouTube channel Drinking Nose. See you again for my next travel and food vlogs here in City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!